Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up a store on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have everything about your profile. So you can go and see your account settings, billing, email notifications, purchases, and you can log out. And you have about your store, the products, orders, and everything here in the left side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up a store on Sellfy. So when you're creating your profile, you will immediately have some options where you can go and pick them for your store. But when you continue and when you have your profile here, as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have make the most of your free trial in 4 steps. Here we can click customize store. So when you click customize store, you will get a screen looking like this, where you have your store and then you can go and change it. So we have all of these things. So everything that you see here, you can go and change it. The products where you want them to be, if you want, you can of course go and delete that. And everything is here where you can go and customize. You can change your products, home, the store style, and here you can go and add your product, connect payment, and select your plan for the continuing. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.